A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
I don't care what church you belong to, just as long as on Calvary you stand. Just as long as your heart is like my heart. You're my brother, so give me your hand. Or you're my sister, so give me your hand. Greetings, greetings, greetings. Two questions. Number one, you know that song that we just don't sing? And number two, if you believe in a Jesus and you are one of God picking them, where you think you're supposed to get? What God promised for you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, now would be a good time, if you're not subscribed yet, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell, to make sure so you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Galatians, from chapter 3, verse 26 to chapter 4, verse 7. Now, all I know, a God pick me, cause you believe and trust in a Jesus Christ. All I know, get baptized, and so now, Uno and Jesus are one. And when you get baptized, you start to behave and go on like him. You don't split up no more. You don't have people who are Jew and people who are not Jew. Or people who are slave and people who are free. It not even matter if you know a man or woman. All of you know are one. Because all of you know believe in a Jesus. And if you belong to Christ Jesus, then you know Abraham pickney, and all I sitting there where God promised to give Abraham, you know we get it. So when I say that even though one pickney own everything when father have, and one day I go rule over it, till he get big, him coming just like one slave. Him like one slave, because when he little, he no own nothing, are in charge of nothing. Other people rule over him till the day when his father say he can run things. So you see, we are like that picnic there. When we did young, the spirit them we did have control over the world, did have we like slave. But when the time where God said did come, in sending boy picnic, Jesus. Even though he did God picnic, Jesus born just like me and you. He did have one mother and he did have to follow the law too. God sent him boy picnic for free all away. We did slave to the law so that the whole of we could have turned God picnic. And because the whole of we are knowing picnic, God sent him boy picnic spirit to come live in our heart. And at that spirit, they were cast with a ball out. Father, my Father. So, uno, are no slave no more. Uno a God picnic. And cause uno I'm picnic, uno a go get all where God promise for give him picnic them. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.